The biggest problem most people make is thinking their personal Facebook page is where they should be conducting business. And I get it. Everyone tells you that you already have friends on your personal Facebook page that are in your target market. You don't have to start from scratch. And if you have a business page, you probably won't get much reach. So it's easy to fall into this trap. But let me ask you, does everyone who sells on their personal Facebook page have a successful business who gets consistent leads and sales? No. And you could actually lose friends, tick people off, which is, I think, the biggest problem, or come off as unprofessional. So how do you get more leads and sales online? There's 3 things that you need to do to make this possible for your business. All right, so number 1 is to create a business page and start creating video content. What's amazing about video is outside of being in person with somebody, it's the next best thing that helps you relate and connect with somebody. 1, they get to hear your tone and voice, kind of like now. You can see their facial expressions and see if you relate to it. And you can actually start to feel and see things visually. So if we had something that popped up on the screen, you could see this visually. Another amazing thing about video is that you can eventually remarket to them, which we'll talk about here in a second. But creating video content will allow you to reach more people because Facebook likes it, resonate with your audience and connect with your audience without creating any more content than what you would do normally through like a page or like a Facebook page post. But this video, if you create it correctly, can actually take it so much farther than that. And we'll talk about the 3rd step here in a second, but that's the main thing that you want to do is create video content on your business page. One addition to number 1 is that everybody who watches your video, you can't really do anything with them, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. But what you can do is if they do engage with your video, they like it, comment, or share, you can invite them to like your page. So this is how you build awareness and build a Facebook following without having to go out there and do these quote unquote like campaigns on your business page, which is probably something else you heard of that you want to stay far, far away from. All right, number 2 is to get on Facebook ads. So you're gonna get a certain amount of reach just because you're posting things organically. But to really take it to that next level, even starting at something like $5 a day will take you and reach more people. So imagine creating video campaigns or video views campaigns, running those ads to people, getting people to watch your campaigns or watch your videos rather, and spending $5 a day, reaching hundreds, sometimes even thousands of people. Well, those are all new people who have now engaged with your video. There's a couple of things that you want to do with that. 1, like I said, invite people to like your page who watch your videos and engage with them. But 2, make sure that you're remarketing to everybody who watches the video. You can create Facebook custom audiences through this. That's another video, so you have to go check that out. But you want to remarket to those people. And then the 3rd thing is that anybody that you're running ads to is now part of your sphere of engagement. So if they watch those videos or they engage with your Facebook page, they're also part of an audience that you can remarket to as well. So spending just a little bit of money, like I said, $5 a day, $150 a month is going to get you in front of a lot more people. And more so, it's not going to make people upset who are on your personal Facebook page, which is what this whole thing is about, just not spending time on your personal Facebook page. The last thing you want to do is find something of value to give to somebody in exchange for an email address and to nurture them. So if you created a video on how to, for example, generate more leads and sales online, you'd watch this video. Once you watch a certain percentage of it, we would start running ads to you saying, hey, like our page or check out this offer. And then the 3rd thing we'd do is say, hey, look, you've watched this much of a video, you're probably interested in Facebook ads, download this swipe file of Facebook ads you could use, grab our free training, but then you collect the email addresses and start marketing to these people or start nurturing these people. Most people are not gonna buy right away, but the last thing you wanna do is let them watch your content and then don't collect any information like an email address, phone number, at least contact information. So if you do those 3 things, you're gonna be a lot better off than what you're gonna do on a personal page. A quick tip is that on a Facebook personal page, you can't run ads, you don't get statistics, you can't see analytics, you can't remarket to people. So all of the things that I just said to you are not possible on a personal page. So you need to do this on your business page. Now, to recap, like I said, create the business page and start creating video content. Make sure you're inviting people who like the page. Make sure that you're starting to run ads there, even $5 a day. And the last thing, make sure that you're nurturing people, because the last thing that you want to do is create a great audience of people who are ready to buy, just maybe not right now, and you don't nurture those people and eventually they go away. So let me ask you, do you really want to keep using your personal Facebook page and try to grow your business and potentially lose friends or be seen as unprofessional? Or do you want to generate consistent leads and sales online through a proven system? So since you want to generate more leads online, grab our free training on how to attract, qualify, and convert more leads online. All you need to do is click the link below. Hey y'all, thanks so much for watching our video on YouTube. We put out new content every single week, so make sure you click that like button and subscribe. If you found value in this video on why a business page is more important than a personal page, make sure to leave a comment below and also let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see next.